Well, good evening one and all. It is an absolutely beautiful evening and we're on the Long Mynd. Who's we, I hear you ask? Well, got the superstar with me again to steal a little bit more of my limelight. Say hi, Ellie.
Hi, Ellie.
And yeah, we're on the Long Mynd, very quick overnighter, meeting Dave outdoors, one or two other chaps as well, and we're going to have a lovely little evening, and be absolutely thrilled if you came with us. Let's go. Elliott's just telling me about the way he's wearing his hat. What's it called when you wear it backwards like that, Ellie?
High wind mode.
High wind mode. Right, look at this, folks. We have here bilberries. Noticed these when Elliott and I were out here last time. Go on then, buddy. Grab yourself a few. And then we need to get going. How are we doing?
Richie!
Nice to meet you.
I'll give you social distance handshake.
One of them. Nice one.
How you doing, boss?
How you doing, buddy? All right. Right, folks, we've met up with Dave Outdoors and new buddy Brendan here. But I think Dave has got a bit of a surprise for the wee man.
Yes. So, as you did that little video with your daddy in the garden on the airbeds, you did very well, and I was very impressed with that. So what I've got for you is a little surprise. And because you've got a Trekology air mat, that's a little Trekology Aloft pillow for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, mate.
Oh,
good little
man.
review that was.
Top man.
So you can review that pillow now
Yeah,
and give a good night's sleep on it.
that's it. How about giving Dave Outdoors a big elbow? That's what we
it,
like.
mate.
Love it. And then, well, shall we blow that up and sleep with that tonight then?
Yeah.
You're going to give it a try and let everyone know what you think of it?
You bet I do.
Yeah, absolutely. So as you know, out in Snowdonia up Cadair Idris a couple of weeks ago, I had a bit of an issue with the Lanshan in high wind, and one of the hooks that holds the doors taut broke. This is the remaining one here. I'll just show you this. So this is the hook that the guy lines from the door hooks onto, holds them out tight in this position here, and it snapped in the winds on Cadair Idris. So what I've done is very, very simple. If you follow me on Facebook, you'll have seen this. I've just put a little Sea to Summit carabiner where that was. Everything, in fact, there's the broken hook. I've left it on there. You can see what happened to it. At some point, I'm going to replace that. I believe Z-Packs do a metal replacement for that, so I will be looking at doing that at some point. But yeah, for now, the little carabiner there is working very nicely. So we're going to get squared away in the tent, get the airbeds blown up. I've ordered something new. This is a Sea to Summit. I believe it's called an Airstream bag. And what it is, it's similar to the Schnozzle bag. Has a little foot stirrup there, and if I open, there is the little schnozzle that's going to go inside the inflation bag. I'm told of the Trekology UL80 mat, so that should blow that up perfectly. I'll let you know how that goes in just a sec. Great thing about this bag, folks, is that this also doubles as a dry sack as well. It's called an Airstream pump sack by Sea to Summit, and based on one use, I can't really fault it. That's pretty great.
Let's get this
Okay guys, so Elliott is going to inflate his brand new Trekology Aloft pillow from the man, the legend, Dave Outdoors, if he can get it out of the bag. Do you want a hand? No, you independent little devil, aren't you? Right, is it out? Nearly, you're getting there. That's it, pull the bottom of the bag, good boy. You got it, nearly. Oop. Try and treat it with a bit of love. Ah, careful, careful, careful.
Hey?
Right,
What?
okay, so the bag is attached to the pillow, mate, okay? All right, so, right, wait. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's have a look, how do we blow it up?
It's here.
Yeah, okay,
Here,
great,
just
okay.
here.
So all you do then, so you've got a two-part valve there, just like the mat. All right, so we push that part in. Yeah, push that part in, and then open this outer part here. Pull that bit open and blow in there.
Okay.
Okay, off you go. Okay, I think that's it. Can you push that in there? Push it nice and firm. Let's have a go.
There
Oh,
we
good.
go.
Yeah, you pretty much got that, haven't you? Right, what do you think? Was that easy to blow up?
Quite easy.
Okay.
Okay,
Right.
let's see how
So does it look good? What do you think?
Yep, that everything looks good.
So you're on that. There we go. So you're on the Trekology mat. Get yourself on the mat then, and get your head on the pillow.
That's the best cushion ever.
The best cushion ever.
Yep.
So what have you got to say to Dave Outdoors for that?
Thanks, Dave Outdoors.
Okay, so Elliott is just demonstrating how comfortable he's going to be this evening in his sleeping bag there. He's got his Aloft pillow and he's on his Trekology UL80 mat. I am in the Vango Venom 300 sleeping bag tonight, and I'm back on the Thermarest pad with my Vango Deep Sleep Thermo pillow, and we are pretty much ready to have ourselves a little bit of hydration. And
Daddy, what does hydration mean?
it means have a bit of water, mate, to drink. Yeah?
Because it's getting hot.
That's from, well, it's not getting hot, mate. We've used up a lot of water climbing up here, haven't we? So, yeah, we're ready to have a bit of a drink. Right, folks, so You know how much I enjoy making new friends, and tonight we're making a new friend. And I'd like to introduce Brendan. Here's Brendan.
Hello everybody.
Brendan's YouTube channel is called Brendan James Vlog. And yeah, this is his first time pitching a Van Gogh Banshee down here. How have you found it, mate?
It took me about 20 minutes longer than what it should have done.
Right, okay. First time having a go though, right?
Yeah.
You sound. So what's your channel about then, Brendan? What do you get up to?
It's just about getting outdoors basically. So everything to do with the outdoors, whether it be going into different towns and cities, experiencing different outdoor markets, going out on days like this and coming out with Dave outdoors, doing a bit of wild camping for the first time, and just really experiencing life instead of just staying in the same four walls.
Lovely, nice one. Yeah, it's important that we get outside, isn't it? That's exactly why I bring Elliott out on trips like this. So yeah, get outside, folks, and explore. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
We don't want to be stuck in towns and cities all the time unless they're new places that we're exploring. Staying home's no fun for anyone. It's one of those wonderful nights on the Long Mynd that's not windy. The winds are forecast to stay in the single figures tonight, and what a beautiful evening it is. You can see from behind me it's pretty hazy and misty, but we've got some gorgeous views over towards the Welsh borders, down towards Ludlow and Craven Arms, and back into Shropshire in this direction here. And then the Wrekin is completely veiled in mist this evening. There's no sign of the Wrekin at all. But what a beautiful, beautiful evening. I'm going to pop a time lapse on and see what sort of cloud formations I can capture. The sun is just breaking through beautifully as it heads to set over there in the west. I might try and get a bit of a sunset in a few minutes time, because it's starting to get red in the distance over there. So we may catch something really pretty in a little while.
Okay, guys.
Well, good morning, folks. So you've just seen I've had a coffee, and look who's decided to wake up. Say good morning, Elliott.
Good morning, Elliott.
Yeah, so we're gonna wake up properly, get ourselves together, and get packed up, aren't we?
Yeah.
Head home. Yeah. Yeah. These two fine gentlemen are up as well. Dave's got his hot water on for a coffee already. And I'll speak to you when we're getting packed up. Okay, folks, we're all packed away, ready to go, and we've had a little scout around, make sure there's no litter left behind, and we have absolutely left no trace. Are we good to go, Elliott?
Yep.
Sure?
Yeah.
Which way home?
That way.
That way. Let's do this. Okay folks, we're back at the car now. Thanks ever so much for joining us on this trip. If you've enjoyed what you've seen today, please give us a thumbs up, leave me any comments or questions below, and again, consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already. As I said last time, we're way up over 800 so far on Wild Astro, and there's lots to come, so do come and join us for the journey. Elliott's going to be with me a lot more, and there's going to be a lot more with these fine gentlemen I've been out with today. So for now, it's bye-bye from Brendan. Get over to Brendan James Vlog and take a look at that. It's bye-bye from Dave Outdoors, the man, the legend. And it's bye-bye from me and the little man. Say goodbye, Elliott.
Bye, Elliott.
Cracks me up every time.
Superstar. And it's bye-bye from me, folks. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time. Take care. Richie from Wild Astro signing off.